What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing on my new Minecraft world and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a secret door. Like you could have a secret base because of this secret door I'm about to show you. This is like my world, I just do something. This is a barrier block, so if you want to join this world, I think basically you have to spawn in there. So if you want your thing to look like this, that's what we're going to teach you today. Okay, let's get right into it. So we need all of these in my inventory to, I just can't bother to read that out. It is a lot of stuff, but if you want to do it in stone, like if you want to put in a cave, you need to do 32 stone. So yeah, basically. And it'll probably be better if you do it in a cave because nobody's going to look there and say, oh, well, let me just dig right here. Well, they could, but let me show you how to do this, okay? Let me just destroy this and then show you what I need to show you. Because if I get stuck, I could check on this. But I don't think I'm going to get stuck. I don't know. So look, it will look something like this. And it'll look really good. So if I was you, I would pause on a video right now. But you need a 4x4. So 4 to the right and 4 to the... oh my god, I can't even speak today, guys. Just copy what I'm doing, okay? And you just need to dig out the area. So you have enough space to put all the redstone, obsidian. The obsidian is like comes in handy for this because obsidians don't move with slime and pistons. So you put your sticky pistons there, two slimes on top, and then you want to kind of put your obsidian or like I don't know, like this. Yeah. So you go this way. Put the obsidian, you break that block. Oh my god, I just missed that. Whoops. Let me do that in a second. Yeah, you put the obsidian there, you put redstone, you break that block. I don't know why I did not do that right now. You put, what is it called? Whatever this thing is, repeater, yeah. And you put on 3 ticks. And then, yeah, basically, it is going well so far. This is how you actually do it. You could pause the video and, try out for yourself because it would work. It depends how you do the blocks though. This is like the easy way. Look, it looks so good. Oh, but I don't want it inside. Why would I want it inside? That's why I'm going to show you. Look, just put stone there. Like, if you're in a cave, it looks so good. But you're like, oh, but why is the lever inside? Well, just, you know, I'll show you the best way to do this. So the lever is outside. So it will look like this. Perfect as well. Looks something like this. But I'm just trying to make it look good for you guys. So it looks pretty good. But this is how you make it without the lever inside. Because then that's just rubbish if it's inside. How are you supposed to get in firstly? So basically you put more redstone here, you put a redstone torch here, I think. Wait, I don't know. Yeah. You put a redstone torch there, it works, but then it's always going to be available. So you break this block, you put redstone here. There's nothing to do like there really. Yeah, there's nothing really to do there, but you need that open for the stone to where it goes. And then you put the lever right outside this door, and it works. Let's make this. I think I should make this look like a cave, like a better cave. So basically, guys, this is a new Minecraft series called How to series Minecraft. What should I call it, guys? Should I do How to Minecraft series? Yeah, that's it. How to Minecraft series, and basically, it's basically how to do something. Comment in the comment section what you want me to do and I'll find it out and I will make a video of it. And then yeah, I'll do one of these how to Minecraft series. You want to make it look like more like a cave, but if it's already in a mountain or a cave, then you don't really need to do this. And look, I think I should add more because it don't really look like a cave or something. So I'm going to keep this here, and remember, this is the first thing I've ever done. And you can fill it out in. Fill it in. Wait, what? It don't work. Wait, what? Oh, basically, you could do that, or if you want to put obsidian. Look, I just messed it up now. Seriously, I just messed it up. How to not do this is put obsidian around it, and then when you put obsidian around it, it won't move. So the obsidian will never move, and then yeah. But I don't really want to do that. I just want to keep it the same for you guys to know what it looks like. It's just all this stuff. It's just redstone and slime and sticky piston and obsidian. That's it really, and a stone. And. So yeah, that is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I just want to make it look like a cave more. It don't really look like it, but yeah, okay, that looks like it more. Look how good that looks. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, because if I have teach you something, please like and comment something positive, or comment what you want to see next. So yeah, look at that. It just perfectly works. Everything works in here so far. Try not to break it. Hopefully I don't break it. But if you want to, would this work? No. It only works on the floor. But if you want to, you could have the lever in your hand all the time. And every time you go to your house, you make sure nobody's looking. Like, you make sure nobody's looking and you go in. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next. See ya.